Here are the 7 biggest money mistakes that everyone makes, and it keeps them stuck. Fix these and everything changes. And so the question is, which one of these big mistakes are you making? Don't run away. Let's get right into it. Money mistake number 1, not tracking your money. You can't fix what you don't measure. Most people have no idea where their money is going. A coffee here, a delivery order there, Amazon buys, subscriptions, debt fees, etc. And suddenly your paycheck is gone. So what's the solution? The answer is to start tracking your expenses. It doesn't matter if you use an app, a simple spreadsheet, or even just writing it down the old-fashioned way on a piece of paper. The point is, at the end of the month, seeing the numbers is what really matters. And that'll be your wake-up call to start making changes for the better. Money mistake number 2, living beyond your means. Social media makes it easy to fall into the trap of spending to impress, whether it's luxury cars, designer clothes, or expensive vacations. The fact is, pretending to be rich is not the same as actually being rich. So what's the fix here? The answer is to live below your means, not beyond, and that is the point. That means every month more money needs to be coming in than going out, and the goal is to never stop doing that. So train your mind and change your behaviors to spend less, automate that extra into savings, and focus on the big picture of your long-term financial freedom instead of the short-term flex. Money mistake number 3, ignoring an emergency fund. Look, life happens and we're all going to experience it, whether it's medical bills or car repairs or job loss or some combination of them and more. When these things happen and you don't have a backup plan, you're forced into debt. That's why an emergency fund is the fix here. We've all heard it before to set aside 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate savings account and call it an emergency fund. But are you doing it? That is the question. If not, make this a high priority. And remember, this is not just extra money in an account to use when you want to. You have to hold yourself accountable to never dive into it unless it's an actual real emergency. This will be a game changer when you truly need it. Money mistake number 4, carrying high interest debt. Whether it's credit cards, payday loans, personal loans, etc., they all will trap you with high interest and high monthly fees that make it hard to escape. The solution is to prioritize paying off any high interest debt first, using either the avalanche or the debt snowball method, and then stop borrowing money in the first place. And fixing the other mistakes on this list will lead you to this no debt result. The bottom line is, every extra dollar you throw at debt today will save you thousands of dollars in the future. Money mistake number 5. Delaying retirement savings. You might think retirement is decades away, I'll start later. And having that mindset is going to be one of the biggest mistakes you can make, because the inevitable will arrive eventually as time just keeps on ticking. The point is, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply through compound interest. Even if you start small, just get started now, and future you will be forever grateful. Money mistake number 6, lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's very tempting to upgrade your lifestyle right away and fast. Bigger house, fancier car, more luxuries. But every dollar spent on upgrades is a dollar not working for your upgraded future. So instead of inflating your lifestyle and creating a house of cards, inflate your savings and investments. That's how wealth is built. And then later, you'll be able to have that fancier, upgraded lifestyle without all the risk. Money mistake number 7, neglecting your financial education. Here's the harsh truth. School is never going to teach you how to manage money. But what do the wealthy do? They never stop learning and growing their money, whether in school or out of school. And so if you're going to have a bright financial future, then it's going to depend on what you know and the actions you take. So keep investing in your financial knowledge, and the results will soon follow. And so here's a quick way to get started fixing your finances fast. I created a free 7-day challenge that'll give you the tools you need to know exactly how to track your money, find hidden savings, and build a financial system that actually works. Join right now the Fix Your Money in 7 Days free challenge. The link is in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and turn on notifications, because I've got even more saving and investing strategies coming your way. And tell me in the comments which mistake resonated with you that you want to change. See you in the next video.